evening students, welcome back. I hope you all are safe at home, so stay home, stay safe. Welcome to the Abacus classes. I am your Abacus teacher Miss Garima Singh. So students, our today's topic is multiplication sums with the help of big friends. Multiplication sums with the help of big friends. Yes students, our today's topic is multiplication sums but with the help of big friends. Now before starting our today's topic students, we will do a quick revision of the previous things which we have studied in our last video. Yes, in my last video, I have taught you about big friends. Yes students, in big friends, I have told you these formulas. These formulas are of plus. See, plus 9, plus 8, plus 7, plus 6, plus 5, plus 4, plus 3, plus 2, plus 1. In my previous video, I have told you the big friend formulas for addition and for subtraction. And I have told you to write these formulas of addition and for subtraction in your Abacus notebooks. I hope students you have written these formulas in your Abacus notebooks. Very nice. So this time I have only written addition because we only use addition formulas in our multiplication sums. Maximum means maximum we use addition formulas in our multiplication sums. So I have written the addition ones. With these formulas I have also told you the friends. As I have told you, the friend of 9 is 1 and the friend of 1 is 9. The friend of 8 is 2 and the friend of 2 is 8. The friend of 7 is 3 and 3 friend is 7. Same way, 6 friend is 4 and 4 friend is 6 and 5 friend is 5. Is this clear? These things we have studied in our last video. Now, our today's topic is based on these formulas only. The sums which we will do today, we will do with the help of these big friends. So students, let's start our today's topic. We will start our topic with the first sum, which is 37 multiplied by 6. Now students, with this sum I have also drawn this Abacus tool. As you can see that there are 3 rods here I have drawn in which we always do our calculation. See, the first rod is units rod, or we can say it ones rod. The second rod is tens rod and the third one is hundreds rod. So students, in these 3 rods we do our calculations and we start our calculation from the hundreds rod. So in this multiplication, first of all we will multiply the first digit with 6 as we always do. 6 threes are 18. Now our first digit will go in hundreds rod and the second one will go in tens rod. This we have always done students. It's the same. Now 1 will go in hundreds rod. So 1 means 1 beat up. And 8 will go in tens rod. 8 means for making 8 we will take the help of 5. So 5, 6, 7, 8. See, 1 here, 8, see 5, 6, 7, 8. 5 bead I have done down and 3 beads I have done up. Now your next calculation is multiply 7 with 6. The second number. 7 6 are 42. Now students, the first number will go in tens rod and the second one will go in ones rod. Is it fine? Now 4 will go in tens rod. Now you can see students very clearly that 4 you have to add in tens rod, but 4 bead is not there. There is only 1 bead. So for 4 you will use big friends. Now some students will think that why we are not using small friends for 4. See, small friend plus 4 formula is plus 5 minus 1. So if we will use small friend, means if we will do plus 5, see plus 5, 5 is already added here. Can you see it clearly? For plus 4, if we will use small friend formula, means plus 5 minus 1. So for adding plus 5, see plus 5 is already added. So how you will use this small friend formula here? That is why for like these sums in which we can't use the small friend formula, we use the big friend formula. Now we get a need of big friend formulas. Yes, exactly. Here is lack of bead. Wherever there is lack of bead, we go to the formulas. Now here we can't use small friend formulas. So we are going for the big friends. Yes. Now big friend formula for plus 4 is plus 10 minus 6. Yes. Now plus 4 formula plus 10 minus 6 I have written here. Now you have to add 4. आपको 4 add करना है. But bead is not there. Bead नहीं है. So you will use this big friend formula. Now this big friend formula is, first of all we will do plus 10. Now listen students. Plus 10 you will not do here. No. Plus 10 you will do here. In hundreds rod. Yes. Plus 10 means 10 bead up. In hundreds rod. Plus 10. Then you will do minus 6. Minus 6 means 5 back to its place and 1 6. And your formula is done. See students, why we have done this formula in these two rods? Because whenever you apply the formula in one rod up. Always remember. जब भी आप फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करते हैं, आप बिग फ्रेंड फॉर्मूला एक रॉड अप में अप्लाई करते हैं. लाइक यू हैव टू ऐड 4 इन टेंस रॉड. आपको 4 टेंस रॉड में ऐड करना था. सो यू विल अप्लाई द फॉर्मूला इन हंड्रेड्स रॉड. आपने फॉर्मूला हंड्रेड्स रॉड में अप्लाई किया. यस स्टूडेंट्स, whenever you have to apply the big friend formula, you will apply it in one rod up. आप उसे एक रॉड ऊपर अप्लाई करेंगे. Yes. See here for 4 the formula is plus 10 minus 6. Now plus 10 you have done in hundreds rod. See 10 you have added up and minus 6 you have done in tens rod. See 5 minus and 1 minus minus 6. Okay. Now you have to add 2. आपको 2 ऐड करना है ones rod में. तो 2 you can add easily. 1 2 and this is your answer. So what is your answer, students? See, count. In hundreds rod there is 2. In tens rod also there is 2. And in ones also there is 2. So your answer is 222. Is it fine, students? Just remember what I have told you in this question, that whenever you have to apply the big friend formula, you apply plus 10, especially this plus 10 in one rod up. Means if you have to add anything in tens rod, then you will add plus 10 in hundreds rod. You apply this 10 in one rod up. You will get it more, students, when we will do our next sum. Now your second sum, which is 67 into 6. Students, they are very easy. You just need practice. As I always says, the more you practice, the better the results. Yes. Now, as you always do, multiply the first digit with 6. Now, 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. Now 36, the first digit will go in hundreds rod and the second one will go in tens rod. This 3 in hundreds rod, 3 means 3 beats up. See, 3 beats up. Now 6 in tens rod. For 6, but you have to use 5. So 5 beat down and 1 beat up. See, 5, 6. 6 we have added. Now we will go for next. Multiply 7 with 6. Seven 6 are 42. Now your first number will go in tens rod and the second one will go in ones rod. Now students, as you can see, the first number, which is 4, you have to add 4 in this tens rod. But there is lack of beat again. You don't have this 4 beat here. So you will take the help of big friends. So the big friend formula for plus 4 is plus 10 minus 6. Means if you will do plus 10, then you will do minus 6. Your 4 is added. Nothing you have to do. Okay. So first of all we will add plus 10. Now as I have told you that you always add 10 in the up rod. Means you have to add 4 in tens rod. आपको 4 tens rod में ऐड करना है. तो आप 10 को 1 rod up में ऐड करेंगे. Means you will add 10 in hundreds rod. You will not add 10 in this tens rod. No. You will add 10 in 1 rod up. So first of all add 10. 10 1 rod up means hundreds rod. Fine. Now next minus 6. Minus 6 you will do in tens rod. Minus 6 means 5 beat back to its place and 1 beat also back to its place. 5, 6 minus. Now your 4 is added, nothing you have to do. Now you have to add 2. See, 2 I have added in ones rod. Now the answer. Count it. See, 1, 2, 3, 4 in hundreds rod. In tens rod, nothing. Nothing means 0. And in ones rod, 2. So your answer is 402. Students, it is taking time because I am showing all the explanation here. You can do it very fastly in some seconds in your abacus tool. Just play my video, put the tool in front of you and do with me. You don't have to write all these calculations. Just multiply the numbers directly in your mind, like 6 6 are 36, and put it in abacus tool. You don't have to write all these explanations. I am showing you just to explain you. Yes, students, just put the sum in front of you and the tool. Multiply these numbers in your mind and do in tool and use the big friends. But make sure you will learn these big friend formulas. Now we will go for our last sum, which is the multiplication of 7. Now your third sum, students, which is 59 into 7. Yes. Now multiply your first digit with 7. 5 7. 5 sevens are 35. Your first digit will go in hundreds rod and the second one will go in tens rod. Now 3 you will add in hundreds rod. 3 means 3 beats up. 1 2 3. 3 means 3 beats up in hundreds rod. Now this we have done. Now add 5 in tens rod. Tens rod. Add 5 means put the 5 beat down. Very nice. Now multiply your next digit with 7. 7 nines are 63. You can do 7 nines also, 9 sevens also. Answer will be same. 7 nines are 63. Now your first number will go in tens rod and second will go in ones rod. Now students, you have to add 6 in tens rod. But you can see that 6 is already added. 6 तो पहले से ही add है. So now you will take the help of big friends formula. Yes, for adding 6, the formula is plus 10 minus 4. Yes. Now plus 10. Now as I have told you, plus 10 you will do in one rod up. Means you have to add 6 in tens rod. So you will do plus 10 in hundreds rod. So plus 10 means one beat up. Done? Now minus 4. कैसे माइनस करेंगे आप? 4 beat जब प्लस होगी तभी तो आप उसे माइनस करेंगे. See, if the 4 beats will be up, then you will minus. But see, minus 4 beats are already down. So how you will minus? So for minus 4, use the small friend formula. Yes. Minus 5 plus 1. Inside the formula, one more formula. Means you have to do minus 4. Minus 4 bead is not there. So you will use the formula minus 5 plus 1. Small friend formula. Yes, exactly. So minus, first of all you will do minus 5. Minus 5 means 5 beat up. And you will do plus 1. Plus 1 means 1 beat up. And your minus 4 is done, means minus 4 is done. Yes students, you have to do minus 4 but bead is not there. So you have used your small friend formula minus 5 plus 1. See, minus 5 you have done, plus you have added and your sum is completed. Now this is completed. Now you have to add 3 in ones rod. 1, 2, 3. Now count them. See, 4 in hundreds rod, 1 in tens rod and 3 in ones rod. And this is your answer. Students, with this video, I have also given you one practice PDF. Do that practice PDF in your Abacus notebook. I hope students you have done the previous PDFs also or the previous work in your Abacus notebook. Students, don't make your work pending. and make a regular timetable for your studies. So I hope students you like my today's video. Next time we will meet with the new topic and new concept. So students, stay tuned to my video and stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Practice the sums at home. As I always says, the more you practice, the better the results. Thank you.